Welcome friends to our new video, that is a titration of weak acids against strong base. So when you are doing a titration of weak acid against strong base, you can calculate the change in pH based on the how many ml of strong base is added to the weak acid. Like that you can calculate the change in pH using Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. In another video we will upload how the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is derived and what is Ka value, what is Kb value and all. In a separate video we have uploaded. Please subscribe our channel, share our channel, like our channel, and also press the bell icon and also put comment in the comment box. So this value Ka is actually ionization constant multiplied by water constant of when a weak acid is ionizing in water. So this equation we can expand it. So Ka, concentration of weak acid, is equal to the conjugate acid and conjugate base from the weak acid. So we can calculate what is the concentration of hydrogen ion, Ka into concentration of weak acid divided by the concentration of conjugate base. So this one, if you take the log, that is log value, then again multiply by minus. So you know by definition, negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, that is the pH, negative logarithm of Ka is equal to pKa. So the equation you can derive like pH is equal to pKa minus log concentration of weak acid minus the conjugate concentration of conjugate base. So you can again modify this equation like pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of conjugate base divided by the concentration of weak acid. Another equation, that is Kb is equal to the conjugate acid conjugate base divided by concentration of a weak base. Okay, so here you can calculate what is, so here also when it is Kb value is calculated when a weak base is ionizing in water, and that ionization constant value, if you multiply by water constant, you will get Kb value. So using this equation, if you derive it, you can have a concentration of OH ions. So from that you can calculate the POH. POH is equal to pKb plus log concentration of conjugate acid divided by concentration of weak base, like that. So based on this equation you can calculate when you are doing a titration of weak acid against a strong base. So here we will do a calculation, that is calculate the pH of the solution after adding 150 ml of 0.1 molar potassium hydroxide into 500 ml of 0.1 molar weak acids. So here what we are saying, weak acids is like organic acids like formic acid, acetic acid, etc. So when you are doing a titration, you will get actually a titration curve. Okay, so depending on how much amount of the base is added to the acid, like that, so you will get a change in pH curve. So here you can manually also calculate using this Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. pH is equal to pKa plus log concentration of conjugate base divided by concentration of weak acid. So here after adding 150 ml of 0.1 molar potassium hydroxide, how many moles of hydroxyl ion is provided? So that is like 0.05 moles. So 150 ml and the KOH concentration is 0.1 molar. So when you are adding 150 ml of 0.1 molar potassium hydroxide into the weak acid, you are actually added 0.015 moles of hydroxyl ions. So moles of weak acid remaining is the one which is contributing for the pH. So moles of weak acid originally present minus moles of weak acid titrated to potassium hydroxide. So if you calculate, that is you have 500 ml of weak acid, 0.1 molar. So 0.5 into 0.1, and you have already calculated how many moles of hydroxyl ion is added. So that is 0.015. So the remaining weak acid which is contributing for the hydrogen ion is 0.035 moles. So you will be having a pH contributed by this one. So pH is equal to 5 plus log 0.015 divided by 0.035. So which is, you will get a value like 4.63. So when you add 150 ml of 0.1 molar potassium hydroxide into 500 ml of 0.1 molar weak acid, you will get a pH 4.63. So here the pKa value of weak acid is 5. Based on that it is calculated. So what is pKa, pKb, what is the relation between pKa plus pKb? So all these things in a separate video we have already uploaded. So thank you for listening to this video, and if you have any comment you can put it in the comment box. Also subscribe my channel, share my channel, and also like my channel. So we'll be posting numerous videos on this type of calculations. So keep watching our channel playlist. Thank you very much.